Hello guys, so today we are going to discuss that how you can connect your MongoDB data. Okay, so for that you need a connection string. Okay, so to get that connection string, you need to hit an URL which is Mongo Atlas. Okay, so you can just type here MongoDB Atlas. Okay, so in the first link which you can see right here, just click that. Actually, it's a kind of database server which is paid, but you can create one cluster for free. Okay, which I have already created. So just sign in right here, log in here with Google or with your email address, whatever you want. After that, you will navigate to this page here. Here you have to build. At first, I have already built my cluster, so you need to build one for your project. So you can create build a new cluster. Actually, cluster is something where your database gets stored. Okay, like if you want to where collection, sorry, where your collection gets stored. So if you want to build a cluster and there's something your database will be, your collection will be stored. So just go ahead and build a new cluster over here. I have already built one, so it will not allow me to build another one because it's not upgraded. I have to upgrade it to make another cluster. So if you can create one cluster very easily right here. Oh, okay, after creating that cluster, okay, so the next thing which you're going to do is just click here database access, and you can create multiple user over here. Okay, so you can just click here add a database user. Okay, and here you have to give the name of that user, whatever which you want. Like say if you want to name that as demo user. After that, let me enter one password 1234 or something like that. I am just using it 1234 because it's not my official database, that's why. uh, you can create temporary user also, which will destroy after some given time. Like here minimum is 6 hour, maximum is 1 week. So I'm just setting it as temporary user because I want that after 6 hour it should be deleted. Okay, so I'm just giving it as 6 hour, and its name is demo user, and the password is 1234. After that, maybe it has been created or not. Let me see here. No, it is not being created. It is discarded. Sorry, I have to create one more. Okay, so you can name this as demo user. After that, take any password 1234. After that, I am making it as temporary user of, let's say, 6 hours, and then we are going to add that user. Here our other user is ready, which is demo user, which is valid for 6 hours. After which I'm going to upload this video after 6 hours, so which is going to be deleted by then. So 6 scram, and after that it is ready. After you have created your user, then you can simply go to your clusters. Okay, in here you can simply click on the connect, and here you can simply use this one, connect to your application. Let's say you want to connect to your application. So whatever application, maybe Mon or maybe Flask or Django, any application you want to connect with your database, which is on this server. So you can simply use your connect your application and click there, and in that you will find the string like this. Okay, here you find that username is enclosed within this angular bracket. Okay, and you have to put here username, which I have created just now, which is demo user, and the password is just put here 1234. Okay, and you are ready to go. And this is your password. And now your database name should be in the this one /test will be your database name. Okay, so you can name it whatever you want, /test /t-shirt or something like that. After that, you can just copy it and use this connection string wherever you want to connect your database. Okay, like this. If I want to copy it using this one, just copy that, and you can use it anywhere. Okay, just like that. If I click here and paste here, this is your URL for MongoDB. Okay, this one is your URL for MongoDB. It is not getting connected. Forget it. So after you have connected, let me show you one more thing. Close that. Now I got that how to get that connection string. Now let me show you that how can you get the database that you have stored. How can you, how will you get the data which you have stored in that, in your Mongo database. So for that you can just click on this, um, in this collections. Here, after clicking on the collections, you will get things like that. Here in the collections, you will find all the data which we have stored, all database which we have made, like test, t-shirt, yelp camp, which I have made while taking one course on Udemy, and t-shirt while taking one course on Learn Code Online. I have created both the database right there, and here you can see you can create database like that. And if I click that here, you can see document average categories. If I click the categories, it will show you whole database like this. Okay, whole database. You can see it like here. You can visualize. Maybe is not available in this one. Maybe I have to upgrade that. But you get the point that how we can get the connection string in the MongoDB database. Um, Hope this helps you. If you like this video, do hit a like and share it with your friends. In case if you are new here, consider subscribing, and thanks for watching this video.